Social media branding is important for your online presence, your online reputation, your business look, all of that. What exactly is social media branding? It's all of the obvious stuff like, is your logo on all of your social media accounts? Is it the same logo? Do you have different versions of your logo that you're using in different ways? I would suggest that you choose one and be consistent as far as social media goes. Is your profiles all the same or very close to the same? Sometimes you can't get them exactly the same, but do you have profiles that are all over the place? Some might be your business name, some might be your name, some might have a number after it. Whatever it is, try to get it as close to consistent on every single platform as possible. Colors. Colors are super important. So if your color is purple, which is mine, then is most of what you're doing online reflect that or not? Color is super important. I will search for a business on Facebook and I'll put in their business name and I might get two or three different options of which one it could be. Maybe it's because that business has more than one account. Maybe it's because that business has a name that's similar to some other business names. Could be many reasons. Um, I often look at the colors to find out if it's the right one, and that'll be the one I'd click on first. Colors are also important. Fonts are important. All of the whole brand look. I have the professional version of Canva, and I have my brand assets in Canva. So all of my logos, my fonts, I have a special font. I uploaded it to Canva and have all my colors sitting in there. So whenever I'm creating something for social media, I have that brand kit there to make sure everything is consistent for all the stuff I'm creating. Another thing that is just super important, and it is your look online, it is your brand online. Do you want it to be as professional as possible? Or are you a haphazard kind of person, just put something up, who cares? If that's your personality and that's how you run your business, great. But I'm here to tell you branding is super important for recognition, for customers or potential customers to know that they're in the right place, that they're on the right page, that, oh, yeah, this is part of this business. And you know what? If you ever intend on selling your business, this is also super important because all of these now become an asset of your business and it will increase the amount that you can sell your business for. So that's another reason to do it for the future. If you have questions, obviously read this article and get a hold of me if you have any questions.